Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a wireless car charger. And you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, inside right here they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right underneath that you can see we do have the product. So let's take everything out first. So right here we do have the product, and right underneath that we do have some accessories. So let's take those out first. So inside right here, we see they do provide guys a USB to USB-C cable. So definitely use that to recharge and activate the product. Next up right here, they provide you guys the mount that you can use to set it up into air vent. And basically the way how you guys use the product is actually very easy and very simple. You just want to turn this part here. And that will bring this part forward to actually lock it in place. And when you guys turn the other way, that will loosen it up. So that is basically the air vent clamp option or the mount option. And the last thing that's inside the package is basically the product. So let's take it out. So for this one, it only has one coil. The one that we viewed last time basically has two coils. But right here in the bottom, you can see we do have the brand logo. And right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And on both sides right here, we do have the auto clamp option. And they do have the padding on here or the cushion to protect your product when you guys do clamp together. And if you guys notice for this one, it doesn't have the bottom part of the clamp option or the support like the one that I showed you guys last time. But on both sides right here and right here, we do have the button for the push, and that will open up the product. So that way you can clamp it on really easily. And when you guys turn to the back, right here we do have the support. And right here is basically where you guys can put it together with the air vent option. So if you guys loosen it up, if you guys push this part in, you guys want to tighten it up. And now you guys can set it up in the car air vent. And I believe the way how to design this product, it is a magnetic wireless charger. So it basically works like a MagSafe charger. And at the very bottom right here, you can see we do have the slot where you plug in the cable to actually activate it. And because the back part right here does have a ball head design, you do have the option to kind of move it around in different angles if you guys do want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you set this up into a car, let me just plug in cable to show you guys how it works first. Alright, so we got a cable right here. If you guys plug it in the bottom, once you guys plug in cable in the bottom, you can see how it should open up by itself. So if you guys do stick your phone on here, let's test it out to see what actually works. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work. If you guys notice, it actually has like that symbol on here when you guys do the MagSafe charging option. So it definitely will get like the fastest charging speed when you guys do use it. Not like the typical magnetic wireless charger where it doesn't have that option. This one actually has the option built in, which is pretty cool. And when you guys try and move it around, you can see how strong the magnet is on here, and also clamp option as well. So you don't ever have to worry about it falling off when you guys actually use it. But once you guys want to take it out, like I mentioned, you guys want to push the button on the side. And that will open up. And the top of the clamp option, like I mentioned, it is magnetic. So it actually stays on pretty well once you guys do take it out. So when you guys try to pull it out, you can see how strong the magnet is on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to set this up in the car to show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me set this up to show you guys how to set this up first. So all you need to do is slide this part in and just push this part right here to lock it in. Once you guys got this in, then you can basically put on the phone mount on. So right here we do have the phone mount. If you guys just put it on and just lock it back in, then you guys are basically all set. So now you do have the phone mount option. And if you guys want to, you do have the option to move this around however you guys do want to in different angles. So if you guys want this way, or if you guys want this way, you guys can definitely adjust it based on your own preference. But let's plug in the cable to show you guys how it works and where it actually works first. Once you guys plug it in, you can see this is what the product looks like. So if you guys put your phone on here, let me show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work. And if you guys want to open it back up, you basically want to open up the side or press the button on the side. So just like this. And that will allow you guys to take it off really easily. And if you guys want to put it back on, you can see it definitely does work. And if you guys notice right now when I actually plug it in, it doesn't give you guys that MagSafe charging option, and that is because the charging cable or the outlet that you guys do have, it doesn't provide you guys the quick charge that you guys need or want. So if you guys do want that option, then you do want to make sure you guys plug it into the correct kind of like car charger or wall charger when you guys do use it. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And you see it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So if I had to compare this to like the previous version that I showed you guys last time where she has the dual coil, that one actually works pretty well. But I think this has been my favorite option because it does have that strong kind of MagSafe charging option. So that way should give me like a faster charging speed than like the regular wireless charging option, which is definitely pretty awesome. But I mean, see the whole starter pods and everything wasn't that hard. Once you guys put it into the air vent and secure it in, then you guys are basically all set, if you can see from the video. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wireless charger that also works as a MagSafe charging option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.